Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Not very useful video, but kind of cool to do something like this. Draw a triangle, go up to Object, convert it to Curve, then go to Windows, Dockers, and Corners, and make it that shape. Just say Apply. Now when we click off of it, it's black. I'm gonna fill it in with gray. I'm gonna make it a little bit smaller. I'm gonna Control D and make a duplicate. And then I'm gonna blend them. I'm going to go to Effects and Blend, and I'm going to blend a lot of, well, you know what? Let's go 500 times. Now I need to make a path. So I'm going to take my freehand tool, and I've got it set on 100 for smoothness, and I'm just going to draw a path. And see, it's pretty smooth. You could still play with it a little bit, do whatever you want to with it. And then take your blended item and go blend along full path or new path. Click on the path, blend along full path, and I wish I could get rid of that center line, but I don't ever use it, but Control R is the repeat from the last step. So we're going to take this thing and rotate it 3 degrees. And then I'm just going to hit Control R and look at it might even be better if we had less lines. Let's try that. Let's back up. Well, I did so many turns. You know what? You can always go here and back up and get rid of the rotation and go back to the blend, then go back one more step or a couple more steps. And let's don't blend them so much this time. Let's go to Effects and Blend. Let's blend them just like 200 times. So we have some lineage in there. Now let's draw our path again. Freehand tool and just, kind of try to move your mouse. Like I messed up right there at the end, so I'm going to take that one off. And I'd really like to have these kind of bigger. And then go here, blend new path, anywhere on the path, and then blend along full path. Yeah, this is going to look cooler. And then rotate it 3 degrees. And then Control R. And look what happens to the path. It looks like it's 3-dimensional. You could make a movie out of this, or I don't know if it'd be worth, but I can't. There's really no way to get rid of the bounding box, so you can't see what you're doing. There is a way to get around bounding boxes, but this is something different. And as always, don't forget that you can still, play with your path and do whatever you want to with it after it's blended. You don't have to stay with that first blend. And you could do that to either one of these. It's hidden there, but we rotate it. Let's rotate it 5 degrees. And then I'm just going to Control R. Control R does the last movement you did. It's kind of funny because this one's hardly moving any at all. But anyway, kind of just a little bit of tidbit of having fun while you're waiting for a phone call or running a laser job. Anyway, just a little fun. Thank you for watching.